Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the H&R Block Rewards Card. The H&R Block Rewards Card is a prepaid debit card that allows you to access your tax refund quickly and easily. To get started, you will need to have your card activated and have created a username and password for the H&R Block website or mobile app. First, visit the H&R Block website or open the mobile app and log into your account. Once you are logged in, click on the Rewards Card tab and select Activate Card. You will need to provide your card information and follow the prompts to activate your card. Next, you will need to set up a PIN for your card. This will allow you to use your card at ATMs and make purchases. To set up your PIN, log into your account and select Set Up PIN. Follow the prompts to create a 4-digit PIN. Now that your card is activated and you have a PIN, you can start using your card. You can use your card to make purchases online or in store, or to get cash at an ATM. You can also use your card to pay bills or transfer funds to your bank account. To check your balance, log into your account or use the mobile app. You can also set up text alerts to notify you when a transaction is made or when your balance is low. It is also important to note that the H&R Block Rewards Card has some fees associated with it, such as a monthly maintenance fee and an ATM fee. Be sure to review the fee schedule so you can avoid unnecessary fees. To get the most out of your H&R Block Rewards Card, be sure to use it regularly and keep track of your balance. You can also use the card to build credit by making on-time payments and keeping your balance low. In addition, the H&R Block Rewards Card offers some benefits, such as purchase protection and roadside assistance. Be sure to review the benefits and terms so you can take advantage of them. In conclusion, using the H&R Block Rewards Card is easy and convenient. By following these steps and best practices, you can get the most out of your card and access your tax refund quickly and easily. Remember to always review the fees and terms associated with your card and use it responsibly to build credit and avoid unnecessary fees.